Parliamentarians, making reference to Zanetor Rawlings, the daughter of Parliamentary Rawlings, as a daughter of a murderer. I was never, ever.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There is a trending issue, these days the parliament, that's a war movie. As I say, parliament, that's a war film. Well, it depends on the angle at which you are looking at it. Some of us is exciting, but some people also think no, parliamentarians should not be behaving in this manner. They should exercise caution. They should tread cautiously. So depending on the angle at which you are watching from, then you also make your point. But I believe it's exciting. I like what is happening in Parliament. I like the tension. I like the chaotic moment. I like the unity moment. I like the argument, the debate. I like the opinion moment. I like the way Ayariga comes in as a peacemaker. I like the way Anodonpre comes in with no agree and not those things. I think that's how Parliament should be. Because Parliament should be exciting. Debate should be exciting. It should be dramatic. Now, what's the end is for? When you start playing their own gamer, then you start crying, shouting foul. Sama mutio. NDC person will be pinching you, will be pinching you, will be pinching you. You'll be saying Ajay, Jai, Ajay. They will not hear. When you also pinch them small, hey, start shouting. Yeah, musobi mo, okumio, mieni denio. And then this is for you. When Lydia Seram Al-Hassan won the Ayawaso West Wagon by-election and was being ushered into Parliament, NDC minority then printed A4 papers and wrote on it, bl00dy widow. bl00dy widow. And they displayed it. All of them. Okudjeto Kaun. Haruna Idrisu Kaun. All of them. Mutakanyina Kaun. They displayed it. And some people were even saying it. We said no. This is not how politics is supposed to be. Politics is supposed to be done with some decorum. No, they did not care. They forgot that Seram also has children, he has families. That will be hurt. Seeing the things that she was being accused of. Somebody lost her husband, and her only crime is that after losing her husband, she contested in an election. NDC found every reason to defend the statement bl00dy widow. They did, and they indeed defended it. But you see, the word is such that karma is there. And so, whatever you do today, implications obviously will come. And when implications start coming, it is expected that you stand full chest and accept them. And take it in, consume it in. Because that is what you signed up for.
Parliamentarians, making reference to Zanetor Rawlings, the daughter of Parliamentary Rawlings, as a daughter of a murderer. I was never, ever ruled by a murderer. And so when you refer to her that she's a daughter of a murderer, and I know that was my former president, I would need proof of that so that I will come to terms that, oh, I was once ruled by a murderer. We all know that there were excesses in the revolution, but nobody saw Rawlings kneeling down with a gun and firing at people. Why? Nana Akufo-Addo's government killed people through misgovernance and bad governance. Didn't the common man publicly say that the haircuts made it impossible for him to buy drugs and swallow? Is he not dead? Would the family of Kama, what's his real name?
Dr. Michael Ajekun.
Ajekun. Would the family?
At my book launch that he said that.
Okay. Would the family of Michael Ajekun refer to Nana Akufo-Addo as a murderer? So, murdering people is not just by using gun or a knife, but also the conduct of some people can lead to another person dying. Will you also say that?
I mean,
so for me, the proper, and I agree with the Angola people. I saw a letter yesterday. That is what a committee should be set up to identify those who said that. Because in America today, they will say that, oh, Ghana was once ruled by a murderer. Is it true? We need to find the bottom of it. But as for this one, I can identify them if they want us to identify.
That is what you started. Parliament. Obika statement, we say, daughter of a murderer. I'm not saying, say, the statement is right, too. I know and understand, say, two wrongs don't make a right. Two wrongs there. They have never made a right. I would have wished, say, the person who made that statement, never made that kind of statement. That would have been my wish. But unfortunately, somebody made that statement. Sorry if I'm sweating. Dumso, the Ghanaians voted for Dumso. So Dumso, someone made that statement, unfortunately. Now, out of that statement, now NDC is crying foul. But you see, this entire foundation was set up by these same NDC folks. We are here today because of the confidence and the arrogance NDC demonstrated when they should have apologized to Lydia Ahassan. Politics, is supposed to be something that would be attractive, that people would wish and want to become politician. Not something that is repulsive. But our friends in the NDC, they just don't want to play by the rules. In fact, they just don't like to play by the rules. They love anarchy. They thrive in anarchy. I'm sincerely sorry for our big sister, Dr. Zanetor Rawlings, for such unprintable words being used on her. But the question is, if it was not wrong then, is it wrong now? That is the question. If it wasn't wrong then, is it wrong now? We must start demanding a certain standard from our politicians. They must not be allowed to keep doing whatever they feel like doing. There must be a standard. They must meet a certain standard. This has been the Political Round with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.